Dear students, hope you have listened our first video and understand also. In today's class, we are going to study about solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. So please students, open your textbook, see page number 5, observe figure 2.5 and figure 2.6. Figure 2.5 and 2.6 is about solar eclipse and its types. So observe the figure concentrately. If moon is in between sun and earth, then shadow of moon falls on earth. At such time, these celestial bodies are on the same plane and in one line. The place on the earth where this shadow falls experiences solar eclipse. This shadow is of two types. The place on the earth where the shadow is dark, from that place sun is completely invisible, and this condition is called total solar eclipse. Total solar eclipse is seen in very limited area of the earth. The places on the earth where the shadow is lighter, the sun disk appear half covered or partial covered. This is called partial solar eclipse. When moon is away from the earth, means in apogee position, deep shadow of moon cast in space and does not reach the earth, only edges of the sun can be seen, or sun can be seen in the ring form. It is called annular solar eclipse. Annular solar eclipse is a rare phenomena. It happens rarely, unusual, or it happens very few times. Student, page number 5, observe picture 2.7 solar eclipse activity. You have to arrange a torch, a small ball and a big ball. Keep proper distance in between them as mentioned in a textbook. Arrange it properly. Keep big ball stable, torch also stable, and small ball also stable. Observe the shadow of small ball on a big ball and understand how solar eclipses occurs. We are going to study about lunar eclipse. So students, 2.8 page number 6, observe the figure about total and partial lunar eclipse. What is lunar eclipse? Lunar eclipse occurs on full moon day when sun, earth and moon is in same plane and in a straight line. Earth's shadow falls on moon and moon is invisible from some part of the earth. When complete moon is invisible from earth, it is called total lunar eclipse. If part of moon is invisible, then it is called partial lunar eclipse. So characteristics of solar eclipse we will study. Solar eclipses occurs on new moon day but not on every new moon day. Solar eclipses occur when sun, moon and earth falls in same plane and in straight line. The maximum duration of solar eclipse is 7 minutes and 20 seconds, that is 440 seconds. So we will study characteristics of lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse occurs on full moon day but not on every full moon day. Lunar eclipse occurs when the moon, the earth, the sun, the moon and the earth are in same plane and in straight line. The maximum duration of lunar eclipse is 107 minutes. Eclipse is an astronomical event. Solar and lunar eclipse is just an astronomical event. There is nothing auspicious, good, favorable or inauspicious, bad, unfavorable about solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. It is just about the position of sun, moon and earth. We are very much curious about the eclipses. It is not a regular event. Scientists get great opportunities for study during solar eclipses. They gather at such locations where solar eclipses occurs. We should observe solar eclipses with a dark glasses or special glasses. Otherwise, intense light of sun can be harmful to our eyes. During solar eclipses, birds get confused. Their behavior is unusual due to sudden darkness. They start returning to their nest as they think evening happened. You should observe their responses on such events and keep record. Like eclipses, some other specific conditions also occur with sun and earth, that is transit and occultation. So transit, what is meant by transit? Transit is related to sun. When inner planets like Mercury, Venus comes in between sun and earth, transit occurs and a small dot appear to move on sun's disk and it is called transit. Occultation is also a specific condition with, which is related with the moon. Moon revolves around the earth and while revolving, moon obstructs stars or planets. It appears that the star or a planet get hide behind the moon and this is called occultation. Total solar eclipse is a kind of occultation. I said you that stars or a planet, they are hiding behind the moon and this condition is called occultation. So total solar eclipse is a kind of occultation. As sun disk get hidden completely because of moon, it is called occultation. Such condition is called occultation. So this is all about the sun, moon and the earth. Dear students, in today's class we have studied about solar eclipse, types of solar eclipse, that is total solar eclipse, partial solar eclipse and annular solar eclipse. We have studied about lunar eclipse, we have studied about transit and occultation. So dear student, read lesson twice, draw diagram wherever necessary, listen video carefully. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number and start solving exercise. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Goodbye.